Planning an international trip. Whether you're a first-time traveler or a seasoned explorer, preparing properly can make all the difference. From securing your documents to packing smart, these 15 essential steps will help you avoid stress and ensure a smooth journey. 1. Check your passport and visa requirements. Ensure your passport is valid for at least 6 months and apply for any necessary visas. 2. Make copies of important documents. Keep digital and physical copies of your passport, ID, and itinerary. 3. Get travel insurance. Protect yourself from unexpected medical emergencies, cancellations, or lost luggage. 4. Notify your bank and set up travel alerts. Avoid card freezes by informing your bank of your travel plans. 5. Research local currency and exchange rates. Know how to access cash and avoid high exchange fees. 6. Download offline maps and translation apps. Stay connected even without Wi-Fi. 7. Pack smart and follow airline luggage rules. Avoid extra fees and ensure you have all essentials. 8. Check travel advisories and entry requirements. Be aware of safety concerns and health regulations. 9. Arrange transportation and airport transfers. Plan how you'll get from the airport to your accommodation. 10. Book accommodations and activities in advance. Secure the best deals and avoid last-minute stress. 11. Understand local customs and etiquette. Respect cultural differences to avoid offending locals. 12. Learn basic phrases in the local language. Simple greetings and questions can go a long way. 13. Pack a travel first aid kit and medications. Bring essentials like pain relievers and motion sickness pills. 14. Enable international roaming or get a local SIM. Stay connected without excessive roaming fees. 15. Double-check your flight details and arrive early. Avoid missing your flight due to last-minute surprises. What's your must-do travel prep step? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the notification bell so you never miss an update. Like this video if you found these tips helpful. Share this with your travel buddies. Comment below with your best travel preparation tip. Get ready for a hassle-free trip and enjoy your adventure.